rubric is on the side. We'll want to check that over. And this is the example that you guys just did. So collect email addresses automatically. You guys know how to do that. Credit to authors and subtitles. So I'm going to go to Google Forms real quickly and start a new one. Go to Forms, blank. And collect email addresses automatically is in the gear. Check mark there. I don't care if it's restricted to St. John, probably not. If you want mom and dad to take it or something, come to school, take my test. Needs a title, so Scavenger Hunt. In the subtitle, it says have your name by Mr. Anand. So far I've got a couple of the rubric items checked off. Credit to author and email. And then collect names followed by a section break. So the first thing I'm going to do then here is make it short answer. And I'm going to put your name, and that's required. And then a section break, which is this thing. So that way everybody can type in all their names, and then you can say ready, set, go, and everybody can actually start at the same time. It's not how fast a typer they are. And so I'll give it a title. And then I'll add my first question that's actually part of the scavenger hunt. So the types I have to have, question hints where to look. So on the example, I had to have something like 4th grade room. So you need to have that so we know where to look, so it's not just anywhere in the world. Response validation for each. So this isn't a quiz. You pile of garbage. I didn't click on you. I clicked on, there we go. Okay, so down here, I'm going to click the 3 dots and do not that. I need to make this short answer first. 3 dots and response validation. So you're validating their response. So this is what you want for your answer. If this is a number question and I say, how many frogs, blah, 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 blah. And my answer is 777, perfect number of frogs. The number, I can make this text, length, regular expression, or number. This is a number, and I want it to be equal to 77, you pile. 777, custom error text. I can say count again, and that's just whatever is going to show up if they type in anything other than the correct number. Question has to be required, and I'm going to duplicate that. So if it's not required, they can just skip over the entire quiz. So I have a number lock included, response validation, text lock. I would do it the exact same way, only instead of having a number here, I'm going to have text equal to jump. I would make it all in caps because that way it's not quite as confusing. Somebody might have capital J and it's not right if the rest are lowercase. That's my example. Go back here. Directional lock was up, down, left, right. Looks like everybody solved that pretty well after I got the right answer. So we're going to duplicate that. And this is also going to be text, and I'd say like up, up, down, left, right, or something like that. It's got to be exactly that. And we could write response validation. Do you know your directions? Totally misspelled. Didn't have error text here, but we'd put something in there. New section. Okay, hint the type and number of locks. So the type, I would say 4-digit text lock, and then all caps. Makes sense what I have to have required there. I didn't do that for all of them. So on this one I would put 3-digit number lock. Don't have to have all caps for that because obviously it's not caps. And we'll go back. And new section, and then end with winner music at the end. So I'll scroll down to the bottom, last question, insert one more title, and then I'm going to go find a YouTube video. Not Harriet Tubman animated, probably not this, but I'm already here. So
my online store
yeah,
we sold
nope,
over 500,000.
Nope, sauce. Wowzers. I'll find something. See if I can avoid commercials. Perfect. I'm going to copy my video URL, and then back here I'm going to click on my section title, put in a YouTube video, paste, search, finds a video, select, and at the end I'm going to put you win. Double check the rubric, make sure you have everything. I think that should answer how we do everything that's required though. When you hand it in, you're gonna hit send, click on the link button, copy that, and then hand that into the Google Classroom and you're set. I think that should be it.